Hey guys, welcome back to Jason Joni Builds. This is just going to be a quick video for those of you that are new to the channel or just found this video by chance. We've been kind of chasing some gremlins on a 302 engine that we're building for our 66 Bronco project. Anyways, what we had was a lifter tick here last week on our new engine that we built. We did some investigation and it come to find out that one of the lifters was bad, brand new lifter from Lunati. As soon as I turned the drill, look how much oil is coming out, and I'm just barely turning the drill. That is a free flow passage. There's nothing restricting the flow inside that lifter. See there? There it is. Well, that's you see how it was working then, and this is what we have now with a new lifter. You can see they're all starting to pump up now. I actually called Lunati Cams up and talked to their tech guy, real nice, and told him what my problem was and what I found. He said, you know, absolutely, they sent me a new lifter. I got the new gaskets, put it in, and no more problem. That's about it. I just want you guys to hear this thing. I'm about to crank it up and let it run about 10 minutes. And then we'll get some good idle sounds of it. And you got to remember, this is straight through a set of Cherry Bomb Vortex mufflers and a set of headers, so no extended exhaust, no H-pipe. This is just a real chintzy, quick throw together so I could run this thing and not get run out of the neighborhood. But all right, let's fire it up. Stand here. Alright, so I hope that sounds as good to you guys as it does to me, because as you all know, we have chased a few gremlins on this engine, and but it really sounds good. I think it's going to be great. It's going to be just right for the Bronco, and it'll be nice to hear it with the actual transmission hooked to it, because right now, you know, it's just basically a flywheel. It revs, you know, it's snappy quick, but it's going to be good. I'm excited. What do you think, Tony? Sound good?
Oh, sounds great.
Sounds real good.
I'm not sure the neighbors agree.
Well, that's to be determined yet. I don't see any blue lights. So. But thank you guys for hanging out with us, and I know we've kind of focused a lot here in the last week and a half, 2 weeks on the engine, but that's where my mind has been. Hopefully I can ease my mind on the engine, and maybe by this weekend we can go ahead and put the transmission on it and get it set in the Bronco. That way we can order our drive line, so drive shafts front and rear. So thanks for hanging out. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and give us a thumbs up. That helps our channel, and you're helping us grow, and we appreciate it. You guys take care.